Hi,
Hi!
this is River, and she's going to do a candy video today.
Oh, look at the little crackly candy! I'm River. You know me. You love my videos, right, guys? So, time for me to eat this unicorn here! Who wants to volunteer to eat the candy with me?
I can have one. Which one should I have? Which one is the best candy?
These kinds.
Feed it to me.
This is the unicorn.
It's unicorn gummies from Germany.
Unicorn gummy. I'm eating one, but that's a heart. You should try one of these candies.
I did.
Oh yeah. There's a pink and a red. Here's some sour treat. Yeah, just a minute here. Let me. You can see there's my herd in the back.
Explain what your herd is.
It's a magical herd and it's full of animals. So you go show off the herd.
Me?
Yeah.
All the herd is covered with the happy number.
That's a part of my herd.
Here, show it in the camera.
Here's my cat. Hello. Actually, like, here's my unicorn. He's like, say hi, unicorn. Look how cute. He's waving.
Oh, that is wonderfully cute.
Okay, here we go. And the giant cat. Yeeks! Yes! I'm gonna be showing up all my
you
herd
look, you
again.
got another one.
Look how cute he's waving. Sorry!
You've got so many babies, River.
It's a herd.
I know.
It's the biggest herd ever, right, guys? Guys, are you there? Guys, are they?
You gotta scoot your face back from the camera. Here's these if you want more.
Okay, look how much herd I have now. Give me.
Hold it up so they can see. Do one at a time, baby.
Okay, here we go. Look how much herd I have, guys. Look how much herd I have. Dad, you see how much herd I have?
Why don't you say one more thing and then say bye-bye?
I have to eat this whole bowl of candy in one video.
See. You can put the movie back on, honey.
Uh-oh. Something just fell out of your car.
Look how much herd I have.
And it doesn't look like something that belongs on a car. about to figure something out. Uh-huh.
Look how much herd I have. This is a really big herd.
Look at that. Her car turned into Bumblebee.
Yeah, Mittens is watching a movie. Okay, you can see Mittens back there, as you can see. So, we heard. In the background, there's the TV. You can see me snuggling with my herd, eating some candy. I'm having a snuggle candy video. That where I snuggle with my herd and eat candy in my herd.
Is there any more candy left, or did it all go bye-bye?
Okay, I'm back.
Huh?
The down payment was for a house. You bought a car. How stupid are you? We don't need a car. God. No, just settle down for 1 second and just hear me out. What the hell is that? What?
Hi guys. Yeah, my teeth are a little yellow because I almost drink coffee every day. A little, like I just finished it up for you guys. Do you see anything back there?
You seen my car today? It was in the garage. Someone stole it.
No, idiot. Mom took it. Should I bring Conan to the vet because he swallowed like a rubber glove or something? Mom, you say she's
Wait.
Wait.
Okay.
We never officially met. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Nope. Yep.
Really? Won't buy her a car, but as soon as she finally gets one, Mom takes it.
I know, buddy. Hang in there.
terrible about things they don't understand.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating candy.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha. Let's do that again.
Johnny.
Not yet. I'm eating the candy.
Johnny. You have to do it with me.
Yes, Papa.
Eating candy.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like me to do another video on, and I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.